everyone, so today I am bringing you another unboxing of the ring boxes. This is number 4 for me. If you've seen any of my other videos, you'll know that I did the 6-box package. So that actually decides how much you pay for these per month. I think mine are like 35 bucks per month and I get 6 of them. You can do like a 3-month, you can do a month-to-month. Obviously if you do the month-to-month, they get more expensive. So even if you haven't seen any of my other unboxings, I will make sure to put them in the description box below, as well as a link to go and subscribe to get your own set of the ring boxes if you would like. I've also done Miss and Mrs. unboxings, which are on my channel. Feel free to check those out. Kind of just comparing these. I'm double dipping on bridal boxes. We are 3 weeks out from our wedding. I'm excited, but without saying too much, these are boxes full of bridal memorabilia, things to get you excited for the wedding. And I won't spend way too much time talking about them because you can go check them out yourself, and we'll get this one open. So the first thing in the 4th ring box are these Vows Books. I actually made our own. If you see my other Miss and Mrs. boxes unboxings, you'll know that I got these in those too, but they're not the same. These ones are different. They're smaller, they're white, all that good stuff. So I'll show you guys a close-up of them. There's 2 of them. Jordan's been pushing back pretty hard on not doing our own vows. I'd love to do our own vows, but I already have my books if we want to do them. So let me show you guys a close-up of them. So here are the Vows Books. I keep saying Vow Books. They're silver. And they're small, like you can see, like my hand even is still bigger than they are. They're pretty little, but there's 2 of them, one for you and one for your spouse. So like I said, I'm not going to use these just because we have our own, and I don't even know if we're going to do vows. So there are the 2 Vows Books. So the first thing in the 4th ring box are these Vows booklets. I keep wanting to say vow. So the second thing in this ring box are these love letter note cards. It says, before we say I do, here's a note for you, and of course it's logoed with the ring boxes. So I'm not going to use these. I already got a card to write to Jordan before our wedding. It looks like it comes with 1, I think, or maybe 2. It does come with 2. I see 2 envelopes, and I'll show you guys a close-up of them so you can see what they look like. So here are the love note cards. They do say, before we say I do, here's a note for you. And like I said, it's branded with the ring boxes. Like if that was gone, it would actually be kind of cute. Or if it was on the back or something, but like right on the front is a little tacky in my opinion. Like I said, I already got a card for Jordan to write in, so I'm not going to use these, but if you needed like a backup card, here you go. So the second thing in the 4th ring box is this love letter note thing for your significant other on your wedding day. The third thing in this ring box are these 2 pens that have giant diamonds on top of them, obviously fake diamonds. One is white and then one is silver, and they have polka dots on them. So you can use these to write your vows or your notes or whatever. So let me show you guys a close-up of them. Here are the 2 pens. They're actually really cute. They have 2 large diamonds on the top. Like I said, one's silver and this is like a sparkly white. These are great to use if you need some pens. So the third thing in this ring box are these 2 diamond-topped pens. So the 4th thing in this ring box is this garter belt set. 1 to keep and 1 to toss. So I'm assuming one is just full-on lace, it looks like, and then one has this blue bow on it. We're not doing a garter toss or anything, so I won't use these, but if you are and you just need something to use, perfect for you. So let me show you guys a quick close-up of them. Here's the garter set. The one on top is like more of a actual white. It looks like underneath it's more of like an ivory, and it looks like underneath is just a plain like lace, and the top has that blue ribbon, like I said, with the bow. Kind of like your something blue. So if you don't have anything blue yet, here is your garter belt for you. So the 4th thing in this ring box is this garter belt set. The 5th thing in this ring box are these bride balloons. They're silver. That is like the biggest gripe I have with any of these boxes. They just mix all different colors, rose gold, gold, silver. But in my opinion, you can never have too many balloons, and I feel like I've gotten so many balloons in these bridal boxes. I'm not really going to give you guys a close-up because I'm not taking them out, but you can see it's pretty thick, so I think they're all in there. It comes with, it looks like some sticky tape or something for them, and they just say bride, and they're silver. So the 5th thing in this ring box are these bride balloons. And the last thing in this ring box is this big day dress bag. I'm not gonna take it out of here. because I'm honestly planning on keeping my dress inside of the garment bag that they give us when I go and pick up my dress for my final fitting. I'm assuming it actually does say big day on it. It does have writing on it, so I'm assuming that's what it says, or else it would probably say what it actually says. So I actually ended up pulling out this little thing that's in the front. I'm pretty sure it says bride instead of big day. So that was my bad, but I think it says bride. If you're looking for something nice to put your dress in that, you know, would be a good photo op that's not your normal garment bag, feel free to use this. It could be nice for someone who's looking for a good photo op inside of the garment bag. So I'm not going to show you guys a close-up like I said, because I'm not going to take it out of the bag. So the last thing in this ring box is this big day dress bag that says bride on it, not big day. So that is everything that comes in the 4th ring box. I mean, I've loved all the other stuff that have come in these boxes. I've been very excited about them. This one is probably one that I will not use anything out of. I either did it myself, decided not to do it, or just gonna roll with what it's already coming with, for example, the dress bag. But I really love the other stuff that have come in the other boxes. I think this shirt, actually, that says wife on it, is from a past box, and I wear it all the time. And I can wear it after we get married, because I'm still a wife. So if I was able to convince you to subscribe to these boxes, like I said, I will make sure to put a link below for where you go to do it, as well as to my other bridal subscription boxes unboxings, so you can see what else there is. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, comment, or subscribe below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next week with the next video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.